Hi, this is my 1997 Dodge Ram van B2500 that I just bought. I'll show you the van. Now, I've actually always and only had Miatas my whole life. Mazda Miatas. I've had 4 of them. And I love Miatas. I'll have a Miata again one day. But they do get a little bit cramped. They're a little bit small. And for the last couple years while driving my Miata, I was looking at vans online, looking at people's camper vans. Started looking into them, sold my Miata, sold it for $5,000. That was my budget. Found this van on Craigslist in this small farm town off of Lakeland, Florida. Got it for $3,700. So quite a steal if you ask me. Have some extra money to help with the build out. Hopefully in total, the build out in the van doesn't come out to more than $5,000 to $6,000. 144,000 miles. And it's funny, the Miata I sold had 145,000 miles. So this van had 1,000 miles less than the Miata I sold. I was mostly looking at Ford Econoline, Chevy Express, Chevy G20, Dodge Ram vans, GMC Savannahs. Just some of these 90s to like early 2000s vans, but I really wanted one with a high top roof so I could stand up in here. Kind of wanted it to resemble the Millennium Falcon, you know, just like an old off-white tan piece of junk. I named the van Falcon, got that little emblem made for it. And I put this sticker of a Ram because it's a Dodge Ram, and then I put this sticker of Peregrine Falcon because its name is Falcon. And I'll take you around. Doesn't have the sliding door, which I would have really liked, but the double doors are awesome. Looks beautiful. I love the stripes on the side. It really gives it just like this cool 90s flair, this 90s aesthetic that I really like. This door, you got to press it a couple times before it'll let you open it. It came with this German Shepherd, this van. Back up, Kona. This carpet, eventually I do plan on tearing out, putting some nice laminate wood floors. I actually just bought them. They're right down there today. This is Kona's bed over here, and then my trash can, that's her little water bowl. This is the front cabin up here, and I have these little fans right here. These things are actually lifesavers because at the moment my AC doesn't work. But with those fans blowing, the Florida sun isn't too horrible. There's my JBL speaker because my radio doesn't work. And I made these curtains. They kind of suck. My girlfriend's going to help me make some better ones. I just cut like some fabric. I didn't really know what I was doing. And I bought those curtains that you like pull sideways and just like shove into the place. And I like put these curtains down with some safety pins. They work for now, but my girlfriend's gonna make me some better ones. Now I'll show you this bed and show you how it works. The farmer who I bought this van from installed this electric bed back here that he installed a little switch. He found this bed at the junkyard, and you press the switch and the bed can go down into a bed or up into a couch. So this is the first part of the bed. You grab this piece, slide it down, and then you honestly have a pretty nice spot. If you just want to sit and hang out right there, it's a pretty nice spot. So just chill right here, have the doors open, and just be hanging out. Really love it. And then we got this switch over here that the farmer dude installed. Hit down on here, and this thing starts going down. In just a couple of seconds, and you got a full bed that's fully ready to sleep in. And look at that. And it fits a 6-foot person. I think I measured it and it's exactly 6 feet this way. Unfortunately, as sick as the bed is in here, because it's 6 feet long, it can fit you. And it can fit like 5 people back here if you want sleeping in here. It's long enough, but unfortunately I'm probably going to be taking it out and getting something a little bit smaller, because I don't need something that takes up the entire back of the bed. I don't need something that could sleep multiple people. I just need room for myself, my girlfriend, Kona's, her bed's down here. And yeah, so I really love the Volkswagen Westfalia Vanagons. The interior layout of those, I think, is the perfect camper van build, and I'm gonna try to emulate a Volkswagen Vanagon probably as much as I possibly can as I'm building out this van. Today I'm gonna start on the floors. I'm gonna be ripping out all the carpet in here, and I'm gonna be installing some laminate, some sound dampening, some insulation, and really working on the floors today. I'm not sure what I'm doing next after that. After that, I'm going to go see 28 Years Later, honestly. I watched 28 Days Later a couple days ago, then 28 Weeks Later. 28 Days Later is awesome. 28 Weeks Later is awesome at times, but honestly, there's so much stupid moments in that movie. But I'm pretty stoked for 28 Years. None of that has anything to do with this van. This is my van, my 1997 Dodge Ram. His name is Falcon. I got the Golden Eagle over here, but check this guy out. I got a Peregrine Falcon that I bought at Shenandoah National Park. Pretty sick. Anyways, that's my van. What do you think? Peace!